Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to increase mob spawn rate in Minecraft. So guys, the first method is if you do not have torches and everything is dark on nighttime, you will have more chances to increase the mob spawn rate in Minecraft. So guys, that's the only way. Just remove the light when it's nighttime and you will be able to do that. And the second option guys is download this mod right here. So guys, just go to the curseforge.com and search for increase mob. And then from here, you will have an ability to increase some mob spawn like monsters, ambient, water creature, and you can also specify increase amount and target dimensions on a config or config GUI. And there you go, guys. That's how to increase mod spawn rate in Minecraft. Is this video was helpful? Please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.